I'm trying out this Bissell Spot Bot Pet. As you can see, Notch over here has decided to vomit everywhere apparently. I've already did a test run on this once, so what I'm going to do is give this guy a whirl. It's pretty simple, so I'm going to put it over the stain. As you can see, it's got a small kind of set of bristles that will rotate around. This is where the waste will go. The liquids come into here. On the top you see it has spray, suction, finish, brush. So it looks like I have surface stain, set-in stain, hose, and stop. So if you want to manually do it by the hose, you can do that. I'm going to let it do its thing. So I'm going to set, I bet this is surface stain. So let's go ahead and hit that. Looks like it's a spray, suction, brush. Let's see what it's doing here. Looks like it's working its magic. Okay, looks like it's in spray mode now with the brush. Spray is done, now it's just brushing. You can see the brush move, no suction. Pretty decent sized water tank. Like I said, I did this on a test spot earlier to see if how it works. So this was up to here about earlier. So looks like a pretty decent sized tank that could do a couple spots. I got a lot of stains here, so I'll probably have to fill back up to get all these. But this is an unusual situation that probably wouldn't happen too often, so this is a good use case for the Spot Bot. Still cleaning. Not sure how long this is going to take to do a full round. You see it's been through spray, suction, it's doing brush. Keep giving it a whirl here, see what happens. Notch over here. Still making noises. Oh, looks like it's sucking. Looks like it's doing brush again. Oh, here we go. It just said it finished. So call it about 3.5 minutes for clean time for a spot. Let's reveal. Pretty good. I don't see, majority of the stain is gone. You can see there's a ring here of remainder of the dog throw up. I don't know if it's because I didn't have it perfectly placed over. You know, it was a pretty big stain. It's possible that I had it shifted over a little bit. So I'll probably hit this back. I'll probably use the brush and touch it up. This thing's yelling at me because I'm done. So let's actually give that a whirl. I'm going to take, let's see, what's this say? To remove, push button for manual operation. Okay. Gives you a decent size cord here. You can see there's no handle. Apologize. Let me go grab this and try to do this one-handed here. Pretty hard with the camera in my hand. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera down. Okay, as you can see, I got the standard cleaning nozzle, so we're gonna set it to hose. Oh, I wonder if I have to hit stop, hose. Okay. Yeah, see how the brush is off? So we're just gonna okay, as you can see, the spot looks pretty well cleaned up. I don't see any evidence of dog vomit with dog food in there. As you can tell, I have to do this whole other area. It looks like I got it about third more full, so hopefully I can get through all this. So, you know, if you want to use this spot bot, it looks like it works pretty well for unintended operation. Obviously, you have the choice of using the manual wand. Probably not a bad choice if it's clean. You know, I probably could do this a lot faster by hand if I did that. Good news is this is very portable, pretty lightweight, not too much of a hassle, but you know, if you got tough stains, this is a lot of surface area, and I came home from work, it might be most recent throw up, so it probably would be sucked up fast, but you know, I could see if you spilled some wine, maybe you spilt some food, some coffee, soup or something, you know, maybe you want to leverage this deep clean technology. Deep reach technology. I'm afraid to tip this over, show you the bristles underneath, so well, let's try it. So it looks like you got a rubber brush, standard plastic brush, and some sort of plastic ground massager that sucks everything up. Pretty neat tool. I would highly recommend it. It seems like it works pretty well, and you know, here's the review.